What's going on, guys? I'm back home. I got the steelhead. Was so lucky. And I've been thinking about this recipe to do for my first steelhead. It's gonna be a simple grilled steelhead barbecue, and you only need 3 ingredients. I just did a little bit of YouTube channel searching for how to prepare a steelhead, and I thought that would be a kind of tasty treat. So, a really special recipe. I've never tried it before. We'll see how it goes. Here it is, guys. My very first steelhead. So beautiful. All right, guys, just finish up filleting the fish and cutting into pieces that I can put in the pan or bake. So here's the head of it. We're gonna save this for like soup or something like that. There's lots of meat. Nothing goes to waste here. And we're probably just gonna snip off the tail here, but there's lots of meat there. And probably gonna scrape off these, meat on the sides. Maybe do some fish cakes or something like that. We'll see. I'll be working with 3 pieces. This one, and this other piece here. Nice little fat piece. All right, guys, let's put the marinade. All right, we have ½ cup of soy sauce, and then a ½ cup of maple syrup, and then we are going to get little horseradish right here. That's a half a tablespoon already. Let's do 1 tablespoon. Okay, just gonna mix it all together like that, and then we can add the fish after we swirl this a little bit. You can use any kind of horseradish, but this is local here in Oregon. All right, then we marinate the steelhead for about 30 minutes. Let's just add the steelhead now. That's a beautiful piece right there. Just soak it in there. Let's get the thicker pieces on the bottom. There you go. Actually, the flesh side, skin up, is probably better. There you go. That way the meat will be soaking in all the marinade. All right. And we're just gonna add a little bit of little pepper. Just sprinkle it. And just a little sprinkle of salt. All right. I'm just gonna kind of coat it. Make sure get all that goodness on the bottom of the marinade, so it can be infused into the meat. All right, guys, while we're waiting for the steelhead to marinate, let's put together the mango salsa. So we got mango, cilantro, red onions, jalapeno peppers, some avocado, lime, salt and pepper, and pretty much that's our ingredients. Let's mix it all together now. Let's put this aside, and we're just gonna put it all together. So let's put it in the jalapeno peppers first. I'm just gonna use my hand. It's probably a lot easier to do it by hand. Just shove it in there. There we go. Just like that. Get the cilantro and the mango. There you go. So we're gonna incorporate this, mix it a little bit, and then put that aside. We'll mix the avocado later. Squeeze some lime juice. Okay. One whole lime, I think that's good enough. All right. You could always add more lime if you want later, if you need a little bit more tangy. Just okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. That's probably less than half a teaspoon. Salt and our pepper. Yes, a little bit. And then we're just gonna toss it. Yeah, just like that. It's pretty simple. Mango salsa. Oh yeah, that looks really good already. Yeah, I just want to fold that. There you go. All right. Let's give it a taste test. Oh yeah, that is excellent. That's it. Mango salsa done. All right, guys. I also made basting sauce when we put our steelhead on the barbecue. Then we can use this sauce to baste the steelhead while it's cooking in our grill. That's it. This is a 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 1/4 cup of maple syrup and then a teaspoon of horseradish. We're just basically just reducing this. All right, that's looking pretty good. Let's turn down the heat now. So all we wanted to do is just kind of reduce it a little bit. Now it's starting to get thick. That's what we want. Once this liquid cools down, it's gonna get a little bit thicker. All right, guys, all the prep work's done. Salsa's done. The marinade has been 30 minutes. Who says you can't barbecue in February at night? Well, we had a late start today. Caught that fish in the afternoon, you know. Got stuff to do, but wanted to cook it. Here it is. Take a look at this. That's ready to go to the grill. Let's do it. All right, guys, we got it. The temperature is about 500. All right. We have the 2 back burners on, and then the front not on. Okay, that's where we want to cook the steelhead. All right, here we go, guys. Let's coat the grill, the front part, with some olive oil, because this is where we want the steelhead to cook. It'll be 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. Probably 10 minutes on each side. We got it to about 500 on the temperature when the lid was down, so it's plenty hot already. All right, that's good right there. We're gonna put the skin down Here's one. Oh yeah, there's one. Look at that. Look at this beautiful piece of meat. Let's put this over here. Just like that. Let's take a look at it before we close the lid. Look at that. All right, let's close the lid. About 10 minutes and it's done. It's looking really good. Yep. Don't have a brush? Just use paper towel and cut the ends with a scissor. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, probably another 5 minutes or so. That's gonna be wonderful. All right. Let's close it up again. All right, guys, there it is. That is looking super good. All right, another 5 minutes. The way to tell if it's done is if it starts to flake. Oh yeah, that's done. That is done. So the only other thing was shut this off. That is done. So turn off the heat. You can see the white fatty part that's coming through the meat of the steelhead. That means it's pretty much done. Okay, the only other thing to do is add our final touches of the sauce. Okay, and then we'll just take this off the grill and it is good to go, just like that. A1. I'd pay like 20 bucks for this in a restaurant, wouldn't you? Oh, look at that. I'd pay like 20 bucks at least. All right, let's put it in a serving plate and take it inside. I'm just gonna put this on this platter. Oh yeah. Look at it, just the skin just came off from the bottom. Oh yeah, look at this. That is beautiful. I want to keep the skin on, that way it doesn't stick on this plate as well. But there it is. All right, let's bring it inside. But we almost forgot. Gotta put a little bit of tortillas. Just heat it up a little bit, like so. Just real quick. I bet you that meat is probably, that skin's probably really good too. Lots of flavor. All right, let's close it up. All right, let's grab some salsa. Put it on the side right here. Looks pretty good. And let's take a nice piece right here of meat right here from the body. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. All right, let's do a taste test right now. Oh, that just flakes. Steelhead is supposed to rival like spring Chinook, so this is the first time I've tasted it, so we'll see. Here he goes, first taste. That's a very good tasting fish. It's very mild, not fishy at all. It takes on the flavor of whatever you put onto it. I can taste the sweetness of the syrup, the maple syrup, kind of like that charcoal taste of the flames. Oh, that is so good. Wow. Very delicate. Outstanding. Guys, please try this recipe. Super simple, and it is just so delicious, so good. Well, anyways, I'm gonna try to enjoy this, guys. Thank you for your support. If you like this content, please consider subscribing. And I am getting close to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you again for being on this journey with me. And hopefully we can make some more content out there for you guys to enjoy. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a future video. Go enjoy the outdoors. Laters. Salsa. Salsa, how about the salsa? Oh yeah. Super good. Let's make a little taco here. Wow, the salsa was really good too. This is a mango salsa. A little bite here. Wow. It's crazy. It's pretty good.